Let's cover just a couple mistakes when you're looking at your grade book. Perhaps in your grade book, things just don't seem like they're adding correctly based on the different categories for your grading items. And when I say categories in Canvas, they are called assignment groups. So this might be the case. So I have two assignment groups here, assignments and assessments, and perhaps nothing is showing up in assessments because I don't have certain assignments within that assessments group. Or you might see a little exclamation mark or some kind of error right here. And this could be that you have some of your assignments that have been imported from another course, so they don't show up in the right category. It can also mean that there's nothing in a certain category yet, so then it doesn't give you an accurate grading. One of the things that I recommend, of course, is to set up your course in the beginning of the semester with everything that you need, everything that you're going to assign, and then it'll just make everything easier for you throughout the semester. All right, so how are we going to look at our assignment groups, which are categories? We're going to go to the assignments on the left side bar here. And notice that I have this assignment and this third assignment all under the assignments category. Maybe I want one of these, so let's just say that this quiz, graded quiz, should be in my assessments. All I'm going to do is I'm going to select these 9 little dots here. I'm going to select it and I'm just going to drag it into the category that it needs to go to. Or you can also click the little 3 dots on the side and you can say move to, and then you can move it to the category that you want it to move to. Okay, so that is one thing. You may have another group here that says imported assignments. Those imported assignments need to go to one of the categories where you actually have a percentage point. Here, this is just out of points, so there's no category percentage. But if you did want to have a category percentage, then you're going to go up to the top where it says group, assignment, and then 3 dots. You're going to then click on the 3 dots and you're going to click on assignment groups weight. Click on the box that says weight final grade based on assignment groups. And then you're going to give point categories or points, percentage points, percentages. So say I want my assignments to worth, and I'm just making this up now, but let's say I wanted my assignments to be worth 40% and I wanted my assessments to be worth 60%. This is not how I would do it. I would have many categories, but just to give you an example. And now it's going to weight your grades. So now that we go to grades from your left navigation, we can see that I now have this exclamation mark here. And if I click here, it says score does not include assignments because it has no possible points. So if I notice when I go to back, I had an error in this class. Let's see, let's go back to assignments. And I noticed that this assignment, for example, I didn't award any points to that assignment, and I meant to award, let's say, 100 points. Let's see, and then save. So now when I go back to my grades, I can see now that is gone. Assignments were worth 40% of the grade, and I guess I gave a student a 1 out of 100. and this is a fake class, by the way. This is not a real class. So assessments is 60%. So then it's going to be 83% of that 60. And this is 1% of that 40%, which gives them a 50.2% in the course. And that is it. If you have any questions about Canvas, please email cetl, CETL, @lincoln.edu.